What's up, guys? Still Patronn. We are hiring. Okay. Now let me explain to you what does that mean. Okay, because some of you guys DM me said, "Hey, you're hiring this and that." If you want to leave the building that you're working at, if you want to leave the store that you're working at, call me. Okay, DM me. Now I'm gonna push you to do your job. What does that mean? Okay. If you're boring, if your job is boring, if you work at a dealership that doesn't give you any growth and it doesn't give you any challenges, then you're just boring. And that's the reason why you're watching this video, and that's the reason why you're gonna call me. Okay? Because you want to work for somebody that's gonna challenge you. Okay? It's gonna push you every day. It's gonna make your productivity every day. It's gonna make you accountable for your actions. Same thing that I do to myself, Bob does to me. And we're accountable for each other. So if you look for a challenge, listen. If you're looking for the money and you're just chasing the money, I'm the wrong guy. So don't call me.